Hey guys and gals, Sweet Project Cars here. Glad to have you with us. We are going to be doing something a little bit different, and that is a massive giveaway of these right here. These are not cheap. They're very expensive, and you get what you pay for. These are unopened. They're awesome. Here are some of the things that these things do right here. All right, let's do the Car 682 first. You can go to the link. Julio's got the link in there. You can take a look at these more in depth, but we're not here to sell them. You can see and pause the video at any time to read these pages. These are the two best you can absolutely buy. So it's kind of a real easy one for us to give away. We know you'll have great success with it. And you can do just about everything to your vehicle you can think of with the Car. You can control it. I mean, reset all kinds of functions. Your airbags, you can deal with your brakes, you can deal with your fuel injection. It'll check and tell you what's working and what's not working. Now we can go and jump to the ThinkCar or ThinkScan 689. This has every feature, but it's a larger screen. It does as many things with the reset functions, 30 plus reset functions. If you have a airbag light on or a check engine light on, and it'll tell you lifetime updates on these things. They're crazy. They're the best you can buy. That's all there is to it. There's nothing better than these two right here. Good luck to all of you. Now you've seen what these things will actually do and some of the features that they have. These are free. Price them out right there. Price it out. It's not cheap. And we're not being paid to share this with you. We want to give back to so many of you because you've given to us over the years with the thousands of videos that we've done. So here's how it's going to go. This is a free giveaway. They're unopened. Still in the wrapper. Still has the seal on it. Comment. And for those comments that come in, we're going to randomly pick through them, not looking at the username or any of that. We're just going to randomly scroll down through the hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and thousands of comments that we get on this video and pick the names. We're going to pick the name, comment back to you, and tell you that we need your address. If you do not give us your address, we will not be able to send it to you. We're not asking for your address in the comments. We're going to give you our email address, which is sweetprojectcars@gmail.com. Don't write us there and say you want one. You've got to comment on YouTube in order to be in the running for these. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located. Thank you, Julio, Cesar, Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge, Johnson, Thompson. Now, the chances of you winning one is, I mean, if you don't try, you don't get a chance. I mean, you got to try. So hopefully somebody can get one of these or both. Who knows what'll happen. And you'll be able to put it to good use because you really need a scanner with your cars these days. Do a lot of the work yourself. Save a boatload of money. And as we always say, don't be a schmuckle, because if you're a schmuckle, you'll never have any friends and you'll be a big, fat, no good loser. Sweet Project Cars, out.